Welcome back to Sunday Rides Garage. Today, we are putting on Stuckmate. It's a tether, a ratcheting tether, to help yourself out of a bind, whether you're with somebody or without somebody. You tether this sucker to a tree, but it looks fairly simple. You got two of these clamps. Go around your fork, which goes to this guy. It goes to the Stuckmate, and then that's it. This thing should be as easy as pie. So apparently the side that's straight goes on the outside. Ooh. Ooh. How am I gonna do this? You got two lock bolts. Oh my god, where the fuck did that go? You got two lock nuts, one on either side. Okay, so after you do that, you want to put this on. And then position these clamps to where the center sits flat. So you don't want it where the front is touching, because the bolt that you got to bolt it to is in the center. So it's a little too low. Right there. So I'm going to make sure that this and this are even. I'm going to tighten that up. All right. I chose to leave the headlight on because I'm lazy. You can take your headlight off. It's probably a lot easier. But For those of you who are lazy, like me, it's possible to do it. It takes a little more effort, but you can take some effort taking off your headlight too, so the choice is yours. Yeah, just snug that up. Yeah, looks about right. Okay, so now this package is actually part of a template. There's a hole here, here, and here. There's a hole here, here. So what you need to do is you need to take these two bolts out, align them with these two holes, and that'll give you the center hole for that. Oh. All right. Okay, with the two same bolts, you line it up with the packaging. Place the template down. That'll give you center point for your hole. So there's no guesswork in where you need to make your hole because it's all right here in the package. Let's drill this hole. I had to ream it out because I don't think I got the right bolt drill size, but like they say in horseshoes, close enough. Okay, and they give you a multiple sizes because it all depends on your fender. Okay, so we put the stuck mate back on. Let's see, can I bolt that from there? Nope. I'm gonna have to put this now. These two screws bolt into these that I just put on. And as you can tell, they got a little dab of Loctite already. Blue Loctite. Now, if you saw my other video where Ann had to pull me up a hill, now I can provide Ann with my own rope. Okay, so they want you to choose the bolt that sticks up approximately 6 to 8 millimeters above the fender. Now, I have no idea what the fuck 6 to 8 millimeters looks like. And that doesn't look like it. That looks like it. Bring that down. Right into the magic spot. Oh! You have a washer under. This goes in there. Goes underneath. And the part that you have sticking up between here, you can cut this and sleeve it over that bolt, which the instructions say to do. So, oh boy. Yeah, I'll cut a small piece. Okay. So, stick that through. Sleeve that. Put that in a hole. Tighten this puppy up. And there you have it. We're done. That is the total install of Stuck Meat. Now you guys have yourself, according to the package, an 18-foot tether that can hold 600 pounds. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna test this mother effer out. You can believe that. And that's it. That's the install of a Stuck Meat. Yeah, it comes in different colors: blue, gray, red, orange, yellow, and green. There's even a place for your camera on both sides. So if you want to see more on how this thing performs and how it works, just keep watching my channel, because you can be sure that I'll be using this thing quite often. This thing is 18 feet. You can pull on it. Somebody can help you pull up a hill. You can put it to a tree if you're by yourself. And as you're going, it'll ratchet itself in and up the hill you go. So there you have it. The Stuck Meat install. How long was that? That was so fast. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to put this thing through the test.